The Squba 1.8mm pitch sealed wire-to-wire connector system by Molex. This system offers a solution for space-constrained applications that are also subject to potential dust and moisture. The Squba system carries an IP67 rating and delivers 6 amps of power. The Squba connector system provides value in a host of markets, such as commercial vehicle, consumer, and industrial automation. The space-saving 1.8mm pitch plug and receptacle are available in 2 to 10 circuits. The low-profile positive lock helps keep the system's profile small while preventing the latch from getting caught on wires. A seal cap protects the IP67 rated seal from damage during shipping, handling, and processing to provide a more reliable connection. The seals are not exposed. More information at molex.com.